This is bigger. I like this. Decided to switch my format a little bit, you know, go widescreen because that's what people like to see. Anyway, welcome back. This is the subject of today's video. We're going to take this front end and do a few things to it. So that wheel needs to be cleaned up. There's a bunch of tabs on here that I don't want. These need to go away. The fork tubes need to be shaved because I'm not running a fender. And then I also want to polish them. So I'm going to shave her legs. That's what I'm going to do. I'll try to keep this from falling on the ground 14 million times. That's the goal. Anyway, let's get into it. All right, let's see. First things first. That needs rework. This one is going to be just fine like it is, though. Well, I do have to take it off, though. Now, let's start with pulling off the wheel. These don't go away, okay? It's a big old... I can do that with this. You know what? I'm going to move you. Yeah, come on. Let's bring you in so you can see all the action. Well, I missed all that cool Sawzall footage. But because I forgot to turn the camera on, still getting used to this new format. But I chopped these two things off. Let's put that right there. And then I was telling you guys about these bits that come from Harbor Freight, and they're especially for aluminum, and they're a wide flute design, and they work really well. So if you ever were thinking about them, how to do aluminum work like this, these are the ticket. All right, I'm gonna move you guys over here, and then I'm gonna get my die grinder out and have at it. Which one am I gonna use? I'm gonna use this one. You know, I almost like that whole brushed finish thing. I know a lot of guys just do this. I got a buddy, Gary Moffett from Ironhead Cycles, and that dude is awesome, by the way. But he goes for this brushed finish. But I'm still going to polish it, but you know, one of these days I'm going to do that, because if I could just leave it like this, it'd be a whole lot less work. Anyway, we'll keep going. Well, ain't she pretty? Now let's get on to shaving some legs. That's a little before and after shot. Makes a big difference, doesn't it? They look purty now. Well, one of them does. Now this one I gotta do some more work on. One last piece to shave a tab off that's no longer needed. All polished up, and doesn't she look purty? Well, hey guys, this whole front end's all this front end. It is really a front end, but it's all polished up. It's ready to go back on the bike. I don't want to put it on yet until I install the motor, which that's going next. But I think they came out pretty darn nice. They look all nice and polished and pretty. I've got some things shaved off I didn't want anymore, and so there's got to be like a Lieutenant Dan, you've got new legs in there someplace. I don't know. I think it fits. Also, you know, something like I shaved my bike's legs. I don't know, something silly like that. But anyway, thanks very much for watching. Appreciate you all very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.